Hi guys, welcome to Cosador, Jonathan here. I was looking online for a recipe for plasticine, and most of them have ingredients that are just too expensive. So I thought I'd make my own. This is my affordable oil-based modeling clay plasticine substitute. Most recipes online for plasticine consist of a lubricant, a binder, and a base. I've swapped out and tried different combinations of cheaper alternatives. To make plasticine substitute, I'm gonna need 4 things: ordinary bar soap, petroleum jelly, some oil-based paint, and hydrated lime. So let's get started. I cut up some of the soap bar and measure out 3 grams, then throw it into a Pyrex jug and crush up the soap. To make it easier, I'm using a bit of dowel with a flat end. This takes a while, but in the end I have a soap bar particulate that is good for the mixing step. Petroleum jelly is sticky and hard to measure, so I warm up the measuring spoon in some hot water, measure out 10 mils and add it to the soap bar particulate. Now I need to warm the ingredients to help them mix. It's important that I have a stove capable of low heat. I place the Pyrex jug on the stove and turn it to a low to medium heat. There are a few things I need to be aware of. The soap will not melt. I do not want the petroleum jelly to fume, and I don't want the soap to burn. If this happens, I'll have to start again. I only want the petroleum jelly to melt and the mixture to be warm. The mixture is now warm, which means I can remove it from the heat and continue stirring and working the mixture so that it becomes the same thick consistency. Now that I have a nice thick mixture, I measure out 25 grams of hydrated lime and add it to the mix. This part is hard, and it's easy to think that I stuffed up, but I just need to keep stirring until everything combines. After 5 minutes of stirring, I can take it out of the Pyrex jug. I have to be careful if it's hot because I don't want to burn myself. I'm kneading it between my hands to get it nicely folded together. I can stop here if I want the plasticine to be white, but I want a touch of color, so I'm adding some paint, and again I'll knead it until the color is uniform. And success! Mission completed and done! It's pretty good. It's moldable and smooth like plasticine. It doesn't have any perishable ingredients, and it's workable at lower temperatures than plasticine. Coming in at $8 per kilo, it costs about the same as the bulk price, maybe slightly lower. With soap and lime as its principal ingredients, I wouldn't say that it's child safe, but for the hobbyist, it's okay. But after all, it's plasticine substitute and not plasticine. If you like the video, guys, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or you would like me to elaborate, please drop a comment. And remember, guys, break it till you make it, and I'll see you next time.